and Ukraine to fight Russia. And also China, Iran, and other countries, North Korea, they're going to team together to support Putin. So, like, this is the war. So pray for God's intervention for peace across the world. And also something I said the last time, if you follow my YouTube subscribe, say on my prophecy that Russia will do something. More than 11 countries will blast. Russia will do something that people will not like it in Europe. So again, pray for this war, for negotiation, because Russia will blast something, 11 countries. It will be very bad. This thing never happened before. So this war, and pray for God intervention for the war. I'll try as much as I can. The one